Hello students. Now let us begin with the next part of this chapter, integer. Now add the following on number line. We already know, we have studied about number line, and we have to now learn how to add the numbers on number line. Now the first one is a plus minus 5. So what we have to do? The first one 9 plus minus 5 का आंसर चाहिए. So with the help of number line we have to do. Suppose we are at 0. Now we have to reach 9 from, we have nothing and we have 9 now. We reach 9 and then to 9 we have to add minus 5. Minus 5 means negative. 5 means we have to go 5 steps in the backward direction. Alright, so negative means we have to know negative means backward, and positive means just the opposite. So minus 5 steps back. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So where do we come from 9? We have to move backward. So it is plus 9 and minus 5 is this. Right? So what is the answer? We started from 0. We had nothing. We got 9 and then added minus 5 means we went back and we got 4. The answer is 4. Now the same number line can be used for our second question also. Second is 2 plus minus 7. 2 plus minus 7. Now 2 means we have to go forward direction, this direction, plus 2, and then we have minus 7. So minus 7 means we have to move 7 steps in the negative direction. So from here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we were in 0, we went to 2, from there we have minus 7. So this is plus 2 and this is minus 7 and we finally reached to minus 5. We had nothing, then we got 2, then we got minus 5. So the final answer is minus 5. So we have done these two sums. I am rubbing this. Now our next question is C minus 5 plus minus 3. So where is our 0? Okay, for C part minus 5. Alright, we have 0 here. We have minus 5. Minus 5 means we reach minus 5. This is minus 5. And then again minus 3. Again in the backward direction, 3 steps. 1, 2 and 3 steps. So we have to go again, move back 3 steps. So what is our answer? The answer is minus 8. Right? So we got the answer for C also. Now let us do the next one, D part. D part is 3 plus minus 5. That means the first is 3. 3 means you have to reach 3 steps forward. This is plus 3. Then minus 5. Adding minus 5 to it means in the backward direction. Backward direction means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we moved in the backward direction, which is minus 5. Now what are they saying? After minus 5, we have to again move in the forward direction 4 steps. So 4 steps, 1, 2, 3, 4. So from here we will reach this. So answer is 2. Finally We went there, from here we reached here, and from here finally we reached 2. So the answer here is 2. So this is also done. Now our last sum. The last sum is minus 1, means 0 से 1 step back. This is minus 1. Again minus 2. Again 2 steps back. 1, 2. So 2 steps back again. We got minus 2. Then 5 steps in the forward direction. That means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We will reach from here. We will reach here. 5 steps back forward, and then 4 steps backward. 4 steps backward means, say, 1 step, 2 step, 3 step and 4 step. That means we are reaching at this, right? So what are we getting? सबसे पहले you started with 0, you got minus 1, then again 2 steps back, you reached minus 2, then 5 step forward, we reached 2, and then again 4 steps backward, we reached minus 2. So the answer is minus 2. So this is what we did with the help of number line. We have solved all the sums with the help of number line. Now this is addition of numbers, integers, with the help of number line, right? Now let us analyze the answer and let us devise some rule by which we can learn how to add. How to add. All right? So let us learn how to add. Use the we have learned how, using the analysis of how we got the answer. Now look at the first question. 9 plus minus 5 is 4, right? Now if we have a rule, but I would suggest that you do in a very simple manner. These are small numbers which can be done on a number line, but if you have bigger number, obviously you know we cannot do with the help of number line. We must know the rules of adding the integers. Now what are the rules? Now you see, suppose we don't learn the rules, we have one more method. You have an option of 2 methods. One method is simple story method, or you can say business method. We will use that method. If we use, I'm sure the things would become very easy for you and you will not have any problem in adding. Now see, we have in my last video I taught you 9. Suppose I talk in terms of business, or if I talk in terms of profit. When we do a business, we are always interested कि हमारा profit कितना हुआ है, ठीक है? If I say 9, profit 9, तो it means profit of 9 rupees, and minus 5 का मतलब है say profit of 9 rupees का मतलब है plus 9, and profit of minus 5 का मतलब है it means it is loss. Suppose somebody says I earned a profit of rupees 9, इसका मतलब plus 5 लिखेंगे. दूसरी तरफ I earned a profit of rupees minus 5, इसका मतलब है we will write -5. इसका मतलब क्या समझना है? This is loss of 5 rupees. Profit of 9 rupee का मतलब profit, obviously it's profit of ₹9, and profit of -5 का मतलब है, -5 का मतलब है loss of ₹5. We did it in our previous this video. I had explained you that whenever we have a negative sign, इसका मतलब we suppose we do it in a story method. Suppose a person does a business or you do a business, or the first day, it can be anything. You took something, you purchased something, and then you sold it to somebody at a profit of 9 rupees. Say you earned vegetable vendor, they purchase lot of vegetables and they for the whole day they sell it, and then at the end of the day they get some profit. Okay, 100 रुपए की चीज अगर खरीदी है and if he has sold it for 150 rupees, that means what is the profit? The profit is 50 rupees. In the same way, suppose 100 rupees का सामान खरीदा, वो सामान से cow attacked and it ate half of the vegetable. The poor man, what he will do? He will sell only the remaining part. That means suppose उसने 100 रुपए का सामान 95 rupees में बेचा, that means उसको उस दिन 5 रुपए का लॉस हो गया, right? So suppose a person earns 9 rupee, or you do very small business, से एक पेन खरीदा और किसी को बेच दिया, फिर से दूसरा पेन खरीदा, वो पेन कोई खरीद ही नहीं रहा था, then what you did? You sold it at 5 rupees less. That means you lost 5 rupees. That means if you are earning 9 rupees on the one day and losing 5 rupees on the other day, that means you still have a profit. And what is the overall profit? The profit will be 9 minus 5, which is 4. Okay, so this is 9 rupees. First day he earned 9 rupees, दूसरे दिन उसको 5 रुपए का नुकसान हो गया. So what happened? Overall उसको अभी भी profit हुआ है, but 9 rupees का नहीं हुआ. It only became 4 rupees. Now come to the next question. 2 plus minus 7. 2 if we consider first day he earned 2 rupees. लेकिन दूसरे दिन क्या हुआ? बहुत ही बड़ा लॉस हुआ and he lost 7 rupees. Alright, he earned 2 rupees and the other day he lost 7 rupees. Then what happened? Overall उसको लॉस हुआ है या गेन हुआ है 2 दिन में? Obviously it is a loss, and loss we already know. लॉस को हम लोग कैसे लिखते हैं? It is minus. So कितना लॉस हुआ है? It is 5 rupees का लॉस हुआ है. 7 minus 2, it is 5. So the answer is minus 5. And we got from the number line also the same answer. Now let's come to the next third question. See how we are doing without using any rule. Alright, later on I may teach you rules, but I would suggest you use this method. बहुत simple है, there is no rule required. Simply you have to understand small thing. Just take an example of this integer. Now minus 5 का मतलब on the first day he lost 5 rupees, right? He lost 5 rupees. On the other day again he lost 3 rupees. That means total loss कितना हो गया? The loss of 5 plus 3, that is 8 rupees. And the loss का मतलब है, we will write minus 8. So he has not earned, minus लिखा हुआ है, इसका मतलब उसकी earning नहीं हुई. He has lost. Now let us come to the next question, that is D part, analyze. We are analyzing these ones. Now this minus 5 plus 4. ठीक है? Now instead of 2 days उसने क्या किया? Profit of 3 rupees plus तीसरे दिन उसने अगेन प्रॉफिट कमाया, प्रॉफिट ऑफ 4 रुपीज, एंड दूसरे दिन उसका क्या हुआ था, इट वॉज अ लॉस ऑफ 5 रुपीज. सो ऑब्वियसली टोटल प्रॉफिट कितना हो जाता है, प्रॉफिट ऑफ 3 + 4 7 रुपीज एंड अ लॉस ऑफ 5 रुपीज. इसका मतलब 7 + -5, right? So 7 + -5. Again, he is getting more profit than loss. Obviously, the profit is 2 rupees. Overall, ये plus sign आएगा, right? So profit of 7 rupees, loss of 5 rupees का मतलब है कि अभी भी वो प्रॉफिट में चल रहा है, ठीक है. सो 3 दिनों में उसको सिर्फ 2 रुपए का प्रॉफिट हुआ. हालांकि इसने इधर इस दिन 3 रुपए प्रॉफिट he earned 4 rupees profit, but one day he lost 5 rupees, so overall it only became 2 rupees profit, right? Now let's come to the last question, that is E part. -1 plus -2 plus 5 plus -4. So what we can do, associative property या commutative law हमें क्या कहता है, we can rearrange them. ये loss, ये भी loss, and the last one is profit. इन तीनों को हमने add किया, कितना loss आया, 4, 5, 6 and 7 rupees का loss और 5 rupees का profit. So overall you can see he is suffering a loss. 7 rupees first day, 7 rupees का loss जो भी है, ओवरऑल 4 दिनों में उसने 7 रुपए का तो उसको नुकसान हुआ, but he could earn only 5 rupees. That means overall he is still suffering a loss of 2 rupees. So instead of using a rule, it will be better that you use simple business to solve these simple sums. So tomorrow we'll do more advanced questions where the numbers will be bigger, and that is all for today.